How to get free crypto on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can get free crypto on Coinbase. Now, there are certain ways that you can get free crypto through the reward system on the Coinbase wallet. The one is to watch videos. The Coinbase has created educational tutorials to teach you about different cryptocurrencies, so you can watch them and earn rewards. Similarly, you can complete a quiz. After each tutorial, you'll receive a simple quiz testing what you have learned, and you'll receive crypto in Coinbase for every quiz you complete. So you can go ahead and you can complete it. If you don't know how you can get it, you can simply head into your browser and you can search in for earn free crypto in Coinbase. You can simply type in and you'll get the first link there, learn about crypto and get rewards. So you can head into this link and you can sign into your account and go ahead and complete the quiz and tutorials and earn. So this way you can get free crypto on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.